Hello guys, chefs here. Welcome to the chefs, and if you're new here, please do subscribe. And today we will unbox the Philips earphone, which has a model number of SHE1505BK. So this is an earphone which is under 400 bucks in India. There are many other options like Bode that give a very rich bass at this price point. According to me, these are much more comfortable to your ear, so I will always choose comfortable over the features that it will offer. So without further ado, let's start this video. Now first of all, the specs. Now after the specs, let's unbox it. So in the box you will get the earphone itself, and with earphone you will get some extra ear tips and some paperwork and some manuals, so keep it aside. So first of all, the build quality of this, it's mostly plastic, so it will be durable most of the time, so it will be durable. So for extra ear tips, and these will be more comfortable as compared to its competition, so that's why I chose this one. So let's keep it aside. Now coming back to the earphone, it has a very good quality, and with it comes the mic, so this is an plus, and also it is an 1.2 meter long, so that's a plus. These earphones are very comfortable, and if you want to buy these earphones, so you will get these under 400 bucks. And so that's it from this video, and if you enjoy, then do like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to say something or have any suggestion, then please write it down in the comment section. This is shaFs, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.